Mutation is basically an abrupt change or unexpected change in the phenotype of an individual in terms of mutation. In 1901, Hugo de Vere coined this term mutation, and mutagen is the agent that caused the mutation. There are many causes like irregularities during the cell division, crossover, and abnormalities can cause the mutation. The type is mutation, where there's one sequence or a single nucleotide changes like A, T, G, C, and all. Translation and transversion. Transversion in which but first of all, transition mutation in which purine is replaced by the pyrimidine, or vice versa. But here it can go in either ways. A can replace with T, C, G, and anything is called transversion. Now, nonsense mutation. It is amino acid not replaced, but DNA sequence change. Protein is non-functional. Missense mutation. Amino acid replacement because DNA base pair undergo changes. Now, the silent mutation in this sequence of base in DNA changes and amino acid sequence protein is not change. Now there is a neutral mutation in this amino acid replacement protein, no change. For example, valine to alanine. Frame shift mutation in this, there is a whole change in frame. It can be insertion, deletion, or duplication of the DNA sequence. Substitution mutation. In this, there is substitution. The famous example is sickle cell anemia. In this, C is converted into GAC, and CAC converted into GAG, guanine into valine. Now, there is repeat expansion, in which repetition of this sequence. Types of mutagens is morphological, lethal, biological, and conditional lethal. In this, there is 50-50 chances. In lethal, there is 100% chance of lethality. In morphological, there is change in shape, size, and morphological. For example, albino in neurospora. Biochemical means there is loss of biochemical functions. Agents of mutation are physical, chemical agents. Physical X-rays, gamma rays, beta rays, UV rays, and chemical alkylation, alkylating agent, base analogs, acridine dye, and mustard gas.